Esprit high definition 2.5 meters by 4 meters with Hypertherm high def 400 HPR, being loaded, sold as is to a company. This will be shipped down on Sunday for delivery on Monday on a special load permit due to the width, and with TWS doing the craneage if the client's forklift is not big enough. And more machines like this in stock. To view more, have a look at Westermans.com for Esprit, ESAB, Mesa, Kerf, CNC plasma machines. Not only that, a full range of welding and positional equipment, column booms, sub-arc. Thank you for looking.